we'll guide you through how to install VS Code for Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and head over to the official Visual Studio Code website by typing code.visualstudio.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a big blue button that says Download for Mac. Click on it and the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. It's usually a zip file. Double-click the zip file to extract the contents. Now, you'll see the Visual Studio Code application icon. Drag this icon to your Applications folder to install it on your Mac. This is important because it ensures VS Code is properly installed and accessible from your Launchpad. Next, open your Applications folder and double-click on Visual Studio Code to launch it for the first time. You might see a security prompt asking if you're sure you want to open it since it was downloaded from the internet. Go ahead and click Open to proceed. Once VS Code opens, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen where you can start exploring its features. To make the most out of VS Code, you might want to install some extensions. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. Here, you can search for and install extensions that suit your development needs, like Python, JavaScript, or C++. That's it. You're all set up to start coding with Visual Studio Code on your Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.